Oh, it's a new weekend, so we will be learning some new things, and it's the most important and most ignored topic, guys. It's a flash fill. Have you heard anything about flash fill? It is like flash fill. Oh my god, you don't need to understand the functions, formulas, you just need to understand the trick. That is a flash fill, and the control E is a shortcut for that. But for that, in the detail, we have a 4 examples where you will understand where the flash fill get fail and how you can put up some engine and correct it and make your data in the corrective manner. So flash fill is for you today. And guys, if you like this video, please share with your colleagues and friends, and don't forget to like this video. And I hope you have subscribed this channel. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe, guys. Thanks a lot, guys.
New to our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get new notifications. Thank you.
Guys, welcome again. So today is trick number 4, that is flash fill. What is a flash fill? Oh, I have heard this thing is first time. If you have heard this first time, so this is a video again for you guys to understand. This is the most ignored and the most useful topic. I'll tell you by working with the 4 examples. These 4 examples we will learn. By working on 4 examples, we will understand what the flash fill is all about. But remember one shortcut, that is control, control plus E alphabet. So this is a shortcut basically for the flash fill. So understand the situation. We have account number and we want for last 4 digit. What you will use? You will use write function, but I'll not use anything here. I'll just do a one particular things. If you see, I wanted to last 4 digit. So what is the last 4 digit for this account, which is 6789. Once you press this, so you have told Excel the pattern which is last 4 digit for this account, and put your cursor on second cell, that is B3, and press the shortcut which I have told you at the starting, that is control E. Once you press, I'm just pressing on my keyboard. Once I press, you will see a magical thing appearing on your data. A trend of last 4 digit is extracted in the column without using any formula. So this is power of flash fill. So there are certain restrictions which also we will be learning, but for understanding what the flash fill is all about, by giving a trend, Excel will extract certain things on the basis of trend which you have used. For this example, we have used last 4 digit. The same account number are here in example 2. I need first 4 digit. What is the first 4 digit for first account? That is 1 2 3 4. I'll just press 1 2 3 4 and put your cursor on E3, that is the next cell on your data, and press again shortcut. What is the shortcut? Control E. Let's press this. If you see here, you can check all first 4 digit got extracted without using any complex formula, any complex understanding, just control E. Is this magical? Yes, this is magical, but again there are certain restrictions. Now let's understand that also, but how to use that, how to tackle that, I'll also tell you that. If you see here, these are the account numbers, but certain account numbers starting with 100, ending with 100, but these are some different terms. So now if I wanted to extract last 3 numbers, if I press here 100, which is obviously the last 3 numbers for first account, and once you press the control E, you will see certain thing which you don't want. Why it is so? If you see here, you have pressed 1003. So in the first example, account number starting is also with 100 and ending is also with 100. So Excel is not understanding. What Excel understood is you are asking for 3 digits. That's why he is giving you a first 3 digits for each and every account. Let's delete it. What you have to do, you first have to enter 100, which obviously is the last 3 digit, and you have to explain to Excel what the trend you're following. For second example also you have to tell, that is 101. So what Excel will understand, array 101 is at the last for second, so you are asking last 3 digit. Once you go, you have you have to explain a 2 or 3. If you have a large data and the trend is also large, so you have to enter 100 10101. So according to your data, you can give an Excel explanation by explaining one or two or three or four examples. So he will follow a trend. Now press Ctrl E. You will get all last 3-digit numbers without using again any complex formula, guys. So but keep remember, if you have a trend like example like this, you have to explain twice or thrice, maybe depending upon your data. Now last example here is basically combining a different text. You can use concatenate formula, but I am the person who don't understand the formula, so this is flash fill is again for you guys. Now last 4 digit, obviously I don't want, you wanted to combine name. What you can use concatenate, or you can select this and press this symbol and select this. No, I'll not use that. I'll just explain Excel. I just wanted to enter my name first. By default Excel will understand. Let me just auto adjust this. Excel will understand you are asking it to combine with one single space. And now go to second cell and press Ctrl E. You will see auto populating by Excel, just a simple technique, that is Ctrl E. This is the power of flash fill. How you like this video, tell me about this. And obviously you can correlate with this example with your day-to-day working and identify the problems and come back with me what the problem you are facing. So that's it for this video. Thank you.